So my channel is primarily a woodworking and maker related channel. So I've been trying to space out the caricatures that I've been doing of my favorite makers so I don't become that guy that just does caricatures. However, when Zach shared the caricature I did of him on his Instagram, Anne of all trades made it seem like she wanted one. So I contacted her and she commissioned one. So I'm happy to do a caricature of Anne of all trades. Like Zach, she's fortunate that I like old classic cars, and she's restoring this old Chevy pickup, so I'm going to incorporate that somehow in the caricature. So these are a few screen grabs I got from her Instagram. Sorry, Adam, this is just a picture of Anne today. If you want a caricature, feel free to contact me. The kind of stuff Anne does is really inspirational. If she wants to do something, she puts her mind to it and gets it done. It's great that she is concerned about living sustainably, which is something I think about myself. She clearly loves animals, so hopefully I can incorporate that into the caricature as well. So let's get started.